Vince Napolitano, president of Napolitano Homes, and we're a family-run home building company. Our mission statement is very simple. We try to provide the absolute best new home buying experience for every one of our customers, and that's what it all comes down to. Over the years, we have refined our processes to make it not only smooth, but actually an enjoyable experience going through, and that's what it's all about. Aside from, obviously, we're going to provide a great home when it's all said and done. One of the things that we do in every home we produce, and we have right now over 25 different model types to choose from. When we create each model type, we sit down from scratch with the building designer we've worked for close to 40 years now. And we sit down and we look at every square inch of the home as we design it to make sure there's no wasted space, to make sure it's truly a livable home from the time they walk into our sales center to the time they actually close and we hand over the keys. We communicate with them throughout the entire process. One of the parts of buying a new home for most people is getting a mortgage. And working with Southern Trust, as we've worked with for many, many years now, that just makes our entire process go that much smoother, because that's just one piece of the overall process to making it a good experience for our buyer from beginning to end. And that kind of works hand in hand with what we're trying to provide as a building company overall. As I mentioned, our innovative floor plans are a must-see. We try to take great pride in what our homes look like when you drive up. People want to be proud of the home they live in, so when their friends and family come over, they have pride in where they live. And we take that into consideration strongly. If you're thinking about buying a Napolitano home, you can do that with the confidence knowing that you have a family company who's going to stand behind the process all the way through. You have every team member that you're going to meet throughout that process is going to be considerate of your feelings and exactly what you want to personalize this home. And that's one of the things we do. Even though we have maybe 25 or so different floor plans, we let each buyer personalize it to exactly, if we need to change the kitchen out a little bit, or we need to do something different in the master bath, or add a sunroom, or add a screened porch. Those are the types of things that we let them personalize it to be exactly the way they want the home. And every one of our team understands that that's what we're all about, and we are there to provide that service for our customer.